Do you know when your equipment is going to break down next? With Spotfire Industry Pro, you can. Don't just monitor equipment failure, predict it and take action before it becomes a problem. Fault detection ensures that anomalies are caught early before they turn into breakdowns, product rework, or missed delivery targets. With many processing steps from a few hundred to over 1,000, defects or non-conformities in any one of these processes can lead to significant yield loss of wafers and final product. Spotfire Industry Pro provides a powerful solution for continuous fault detection. By analyzing high-frequency process signals in real time, you can detect and visualize equipment anomalies and act faster to prevent product defects and keep your lines running smoothly. Save on maintenance costs and maximize equipment uptime to improve your productivity. Manufacturers everywhere are choosing Spotfire Industry Pro for continuous fault detection. So what are you waiting for? Get started at spotfire.com/solutions/semiconductors today.